In the quiet glow of a single spotlight, a swirl of liquid gold begins its journey. Not just a drink, but a transformation shaped by fire, time, and relentless precision. From windswept barley fields in the Scottish Highlands to towering copper stills glowing with heat, every drop is engineered with purpose. Steam rises, steel hums, barrels rest in endless rows like a cathedral built for time itself. This is not chance. This is craft refined by generations. Machines move in perfect rhythm. Liquid flows with controlled power. Wood breathes as years pass in silence. Across oceans, through glass and flame, precision becomes prestige. From grain to cask to bottle to the final pour beneath warm light. What you hold in a single glass carries an entire industrial symphony behind it. Stay with us, because what looks simple is anything but.
Levels are rising steadily in silo 2. Good. Keep the feed rate constant. Will do. Temperature's holding steady.
Good. Check the consistency.
Looks good. Ready for the next step.
All right, proceed. Looks like the feed rate is steady.
Good. Let's check the console readings.
Agreed. Moving to the next station.
Okay, flow rate is steady. Go ahead.
Copy that. Opening the valve.
Looks good. Monitor the temp.
Closing now.
Levels holding steady at 4127. Increasing the char on the second barrel. That's better. Monitoring closely.
Barrels are moving now.
Confirmed. Pressure is holding steady.
Good. Keep an eye on it. Okay, initiating press. Seal complete. Moving on.
Okay, let's get number 415 down. Copy that. Moving in. Watch the clearance on the right.
This one has a nice oak finish.
Agreed. I'll log that.
Let's check the next sample.
Ready. This batch shows a high floral note.
Agreed. The spice is balanced.
Barrel 23 marked and rolling forward. Flow rate is steady on this batch. Confirmed. Adjusting nozzles for the next set. Good. Keep monitoring. Speeds up to 120. Looking steady. Good. Watch that fill level on the next batch. On it. Platform up, clear to lift, copy, lifting now. Pallet in, securing, confirmed. Arm cycle complete, proceeding next. Keep pace, loads heavy. Copy, stacking on the belt.
This batch is clear. Next one.
Copy that, moving to aisle 2.
Scan, that's 4456.